Assalamu alaikum students, this is Hadika Batul and today we are going to discuss about relationship between physics and mathematics. So let's start the video. What is the relationship between physics and mathematics? Physics is the study of natural universe, while mathematics is the language of physics to talk about this universe. Physics describes our universe only and what are the rules and phenomena happening in this universe, while mathematics is all about mathematical applications to solve a problem, logics and calculations of physics. Remember that without mathematics we cannot understand the concepts of physics. For example, speed is the concept of physics, but how to find or calculate the speed of any object? So we use mathematics to find and calculate the speed of any object. For example, a car is moving and cover a distance of 10 meters in 50 seconds. So what is the speed of this car? So we use mathematical relationship of speed, distance and time. By putting the values of these terms, we get the value of speed of this car 0.2 meter per second. So this is the method to find and calculate the speed of any object. Similarly, there are thousands of concepts in physics that need mathematics to prove them. So if you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.